In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert screen into Mockup in Figma. Mockups are a fast, professional way to present your designs, pitch an idea, or make a portfolio screenshot stand out. Today, we'll keep it simple and get your screen into a realistic device mockup using a plugin, so you can go from flat design to polished presentation in just a few clicks. Start by opening Figma and the design file you want to showcase. You can use the desktop app or the browser. Both work the same for this workflow. It helps to have your final screen exported and ready, but you can also grab it directly from your canvas once the plugin is open. Keep your layers tidy, so switching back and forth stays easy. Next, go to the top menu and click Plugins. If you're used to the right-click menu, you'll find Plugins there as well. This is where we'll launch the tool that does the heavy lifting. If your plugin list is long, use the search to find what you need quickly. Now open the Mockup plugin, the one labeled Devices Mockups, Print Mockups, Warp and Distort Transformation. This plugin is great because it handles realistic device frames and perspective automatically. When it opens, you'll see a gallery of options and categories. It's designed to drop your image into a predefined placeholder and handle the alignment for you. Choose a free mockup that matches your design's context. If you designed a mobile app, pick a phone in the correct orientation. For dashboards, a laptop or desktop works well. Pay attention to the angle, bezel thickness, and background. Subtle angles feel dynamic, while straight-on frames keep the focus on your UI. If you're unsure, a clean, neutral device on a simple background is a safe choice. With the mockup selected, add your photo. Click the Image or Replace button in the plugin and choose your exported screen. For the sharpest result, use a high-resolution PNG or JPG and keep the same aspect ratio as your design. The plugin will place your image into the device frame. From there, use the built-in controls to scale, reposition, or fit the screen precisely. If the corners are rounded, make sure your image matches so it sits perfectly inside the bezel. Look for options like Fit, Fill, or Crop to avoid distortion, and nudge the image if you see any misalignment. That's it. You've placed your screen into a mockup in Figma. Review the result at 100% zoom to check sharpness. Then you're ready to export and share. Thanks for watching, and enjoy presenting your work with a polished, realistic finish.